All right, welcome back. Welcome back. Math is easy step by step. This is part 25 video going over scientific notation. So here I'm going to give you some suggestions for internet searches to practice your skills. You want to punch in an internet search worksheets with answers on the following topics I'm going to go over here in just a moment. Okay, so enter into the blank space, converting scientific notation into standard form. And then another search for worksheets with answers on converting standard form into scientific notation. All right, put into that internet search, finding worksheets with answers and finding the sum, finding the difference, finding the product, and finding the quotient using scientific notation. This will give you some practice problems with answers. Remember, check those answers and look through your works if you made a mistake. That's where you will find and learn exponentially. Once you can learn to find mistakes in math, you have come close to mastering those particular type of skills. If I'm going too fast, please pause these videos. You want to enter in worksheets with answers. Try to find with quotient rule of exponents, with the product rule of exponents. Remember, quotient is answers to a division problem. Product is the answer to a multiplication problem. Adding and subtracting like terms. Now, I have created and made a number of videos I have posted. Please check out the plethora of videos I have created that may also help you on your journey. Remember, math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate your time. Please like, follow, share, and subscribe.